The vagina sits within a bowl-shaped structure made up of bones, muscles, and ligaments. This structure is called the pelvis. And surrounding the vagina are pelvic floor muscles that play a crucial role in many important bodily functions. So what exactly is the pelvic floor? What does it do? And how can you keep it healthy? Let's find out. Part 1. Mapping the pelvic floor. Your body's architectural blueprint includes the pelvic floor, a remarkable feat of biological engineering nestled at the base of the pelvis. Acting as your internal support system, the pelvic floor comprises 3 muscle layers that work in harmony to connect the pubic bone at the front to the tailbone at the back. These muscles form a strong yet flexible framework that provides the foundation for some essential functions. Part 2. The multitasking marvel. The pelvic floor is a true multitasking marvel, performing several essential functions that are vital to your overall well-being. Bladder and bowel control. The pelvic floor plays a crucial role in regulating bladder and bowel function. Through the coordinated efforts of the muscles in this area, we gain control over the release of urine and prevent unwanted leakage. By keeping the sphincter muscles tightly sealed, these muscles ensure that urine remains in the bladder until it's time for it to go. Similarly, they maintain fecal continence by keeping the anal sphincter closed until we find a toilet to relieve ourselves. Organ support. The pelvic floor serves as a natural hammock supporting the internal organs, including the uterus, vagina, bladder, rectum, and small bowel in females. These muscles help hold these organs in their proper positions and provide stability for proper functioning. Without the support of the pelvic floor, these organs may begin to sag or prolapse, leading to discomfort and other complications. Sexual function. During sexual activity, the pelvic floor muscles play an important role in enhancing sexual experiences. When you're aroused, these muscles can contract and relax, allowing for increased blood flow to the genital area. This improved circulation contributes to heightened sensitivity and pleasure during intimate moments. Core stability. The pelvic floor is an integral part of the core, providing stability and support to the entire torso by working in conjunction with the abdominal muscles, back muscles, and hip muscles. It helps maintain balance and proper posture. This stability is particularly crucial during physical activities, allowing for efficient transfer of energy throughout the body. Posture maintenance. Proper posture is essential for overall well-being, and the pelvic floor contributes significantly to maintaining good posture. By keeping the spine aligned, it helps prevent slouching or other postural abnormalities that can cause discomfort or long-term issues. A strong and healthy pelvic floor ensures that the spine remains in its natural curvature, promoting proper spinal health. Part 3. The gender differences. The pelvic floor is an amazing structure that has some unique design features depending on the gender. In women, additional support is provided for the uterus, fallopian tubes, and ovaries, which are essential for reproduction. In men, the pelvic floor is integrated with the prostate gland, playing a role in urinary and reproductive functions. Regardless of gender, both the male and female pelvic floors share the common function of being crucial for urinary control. The pelvic floor's intricate design highlights the remarkable adaptations of the human body for different functions, while also emphasizing the shared features that unite us. Part 4. Maintaining your foundation. Taking care of your pelvic floor is essential for maintaining good health and preventing problems down the road. So here are a few daily maintenance tips to keep your pelvic floor in tip-top shape. Proper breathing techniques. Breathing deeply and correctly engages the pelvic floor muscles and promotes optimal blood circulation in the pelvic region. Diaphragmatic breathing, in particular, is highly effective in strengthening these muscles. Posture awareness. Practicing good posture helps maintain the structural integrity of the pelvis and reduces strain on the pelvic floor muscles. By standing tall with shoulders back and chin up, you can ensure that your pelvic floor remains supported and balanced. Safe lifting practices. Lifting heavy objects can put a lot of pressure on the pelvic floor muscles. To protect this area, it's important to lift weights safely by keeping the load close to the body, engaging the core muscles, and avoiding sudden movements. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity, including exercises that strengthen the pelvic floor, is crucial for maintaining its health. Activities such as yoga, Pilates, and weightlifting can help build strength and endurance in these muscles. Remember to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new exercise routine. Part 5. Recognizing the warning signs. It is important to be aware of the warning signs that indicate pelvic floor weakness so that you can take timely action to address them. Urinary leakage. Urinary leakage or incontinence is a common issue that can affect individuals of all ages. It's characterized by the involuntary loss of urine and can be caused by various factors, including weak pelvic floor muscles. If you find yourself leaking urine during physical activities, coughing, sneezing, or even when you're trying to hold your pee, it might be a sign that your pelvic floor needs some extra love and care. Pelvic pressure. A constant feeling of pelvic pressure or heaviness could indicate pelvic floor weakness. This sensation often feels like a pulling or dragging in the lower abdomen or vaginal area. If you experience this discomfort, it is essential to seek guidance from a healthcare provider to determine the underlying cause and explore ways to alleviate it. Lower back pain. Lower back pain is a prevalent issue, and in some cases it can be linked to pelvic floor weakness. When the pelvic floor muscles are not functioning optimally, it can contribute to discomfort and pain in the lower back region. While not all back pain is related to the pelvic floor, persistent discomfort should prompt a visit to a healthcare provider for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. Core weakness. A weak core can manifest in various ways, including difficulty maintaining balance, poor posture, and reduced stability. If you find yourself lacking the necessary strength to perform everyday activities, or if you notice an overall imbalance, it's a sign that your pelvic floor and core muscles may need attention. Incorporating exercises that target the core can help build the necessary strength and improve stability. It's important to remember that everyone's body is unique and experiences will vary. By understanding your body and practicing daily maintenance, you can help ensure that your pelvic floor stays strong and healthy throughout your life. So listen to your body signals, make positive changes, and embrace a proactive approach to your well-being. Your body will thank you for it. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. We hope that this video has shed light on the importance of the pelvic floor and inspired you to prioritize its health. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take care of your amazing body. And thanks for watching.